Hey guys, Shaman Rumble Bull here. We're up at Dairy Queen, and also if you like this, give it a like. Hit me up with a subscription. But anyways, we're up here, and we're doing a car show up here, so I figured I'd give you guys a quick video, show you guys the cars while we look at them. Look at this guy. Little eyes out here. It's pretty. I like the old trucks. Look at this. So shiny. Wow. Is that pretty, guys? It is. There's solid black right there. It's like a new night. It's like the new Knight Rider car. And generally, guys, Dukes of Hazzard. Straight out Dukes of Hazzard. It looks really pretty. Look, babe. It looks really cool in the video. Look, because you can see all the little sparkles on it. Isn't that neat? It's even got the flag on top, guys. That's so cool. Hope you see this one, Mom, because I know you'll like this. You have to show it to Brad. Brad's my stepdad. Yeah, it's like the old, like the Corvette symbol. So they did it differently. It's pretty cool. Alright, that one's really cool, guys. Yeah, that's my car right there. This is what I'd like to have.
I still like my bikes.
Oh, I do too, but you know, you gotta have a nice car to go with it. T-top. Oh, that's my dream car right there, guys. Corvette. So pretty. Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Guess we've seen this one before. Well, they haven't seen it. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, you guys have seen that one before. It had the peeing dog.
Yeah, the peeing dog's in the back seat.
Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's got those big old balls.
This is nice.
Wow. You see
Old
the edge
school.
of here? You can really see it good on the video.
Yeah.
That's
That's nice.
I like the way the
I would
light.
drive that.
I like the way the light makes the cars look because it makes them have those little gleams on it. It looks like a real video, little like gleam.
Pictures are $10 a piece.
Well,
It
then
looks-
you
it-
gotta pay out the pie hole for your video.
It looks really cool on it because it has little gleams on it. It's like looks like it sparkles.
Yeah.
You know, you don't see that with your eyes. It looks pretty. Wow. So pretty, guys.
News starting to set in. Man.
That's the owner there. Pretty car, man.
Really pretty.
I like the red pinstripe on it. It's so awesome.
You know, kind of matches the back. Did you see one of those on the back?
Yeah.
That's really nice. I like the red rims and stuff. That's really cool.
Yeah, the red kind of ties it all together with the
Oh,
red
yeah.
rims and the pinstriping and stuff.
It's her favorite colors.
Black?
Red and black.
Oh, red,
Red,
and
black, silver. And he's got silver on there.
There we go. You seen this one before too?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the blue on that. It looks so crazy in the video.
Yeah. But yeah, we've seen that one before.
Looks like some future stuff. Look like Mach 5. Speed Racer. Wow. That's pretty right there.
They put an extra speedometer in there.
Huh? Oh, I know. Oh, another vet, guys. It's pretty. It's a T-top too.
Mm-hmm. New Jersey State
I'd love,
female.
I'd love to hear this one start up. This is one of the few cars that I wouldn't mind having in white.
I really think it's a female driver.
It would be a nice car. Little truck.
Yeah.
Brad would like this. He likes the simple kind of little trucks.
Yeah. I mean, the engine's easy to work on too.
Well, you got plenty of room in it too. I mean, that's why you get tons of room.
Yeah,
Makes
that's
it
why I
really
don't
easy.
like working on cars.
Oh well, especially newer cars, they don't have enough room. Look at this one. This one's a beast. Old Charger. I like the slant. I like the way the roof is. The way it's like slanted like that. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so awesome. You didn't get your wallet?
No, because I thought we were going to.
Well, we'll go grab it.
Huh?
We'll go grab it. Alright guys, so we'll leave the light on. So that was all the cars there. Hope you enjoyed them. Just figured out if I'll post this up for you guys. Hope you enjoyed all the pretty cars out here. And I'll give a couple shout outs to some people in my description. And well, we'll go ahead and do it here. Throw me a like if you like this video. Hit me up with a sub. Go check out Roblox Games. He's going to help me out with doing some of my editing and stuff like that. So give him a like, give him some subs. Also, friend Debbie's got a GoFundMe page. She's on Instagram and Twitter as ddrez, DDREZ. So look her up on Twitter at DDREZ. And check her out on her GoFundMe page. I'll figure out how to put a link in the description or something later. But yeah. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.